A number of years now, this area has been identified as a major route for trafficking of drugs and even aliens. This area is about over 200 kilometers from Wajir town, Wajir county headquarters. So it has been a little bit of a challenge to man this area, and the criminal elements have taken advantage of that. So that when they source the drugs, especially marijuana from Ethiopia, from neighboring countries, they transit through Marsabit County, and then they transit again through Wajir County, and this is the route that they use.
Hii ushirikiano tuzidi kuendelea nayo, na nawapatia hakikisho ya kwamba hii command center ambayo tunajenga hapa kupitia CDF ambayo Mheshimiwa Kainan ametupatia national government, na tunamshukuru sana. Hakutawezekana tena wakati itakapokwisha ati mtu anaweza leta miadarati ya kuharibu wananchi wetu.